Hey everyone and welcome. This new video is especially for agencies which have services in highly competitive areas who want to stand out from the crowd, but also for brands in the luxury industry who have maybe complex and expensive products who want to reduce their sales cycles. Because in this video I will show you different ways how you can easily build up more trust in your sales process to drastically shorten your sales cycles and convert more interest in serious customers, because more people will understand your physical or digital products or also abstract services. But before we dive in the trend of virtual 3D showrooms, I want to show you ways companies already use today to showcase their products. At first we have a normal website, but the thing here is normal users only spend a few seconds on your website and often don't get the point why they need your product or how it can help in this short time. And due to social media, we are trained to swipe, and the duration we can focus on stuff get less and less. And a normal website is not enough anymore to stand out from the crowd and hook users, because to hook users you need some kind of interactive elements. Then the second thing, here in Germany for example, we also have a hype about small explainer videos which show and explain your service or product in only 1 minute. But the truth is that those videos really need to be made in an interesting way so that your audience can connect to it, but since they are not interactive and everyone have a video like this, it's also getting boring and you don't stand out from the crowd, because also your competitors have those videos already. And like this you can't stay in your customer's mind in the long term, since they see those videos daily multiple times. Also they can't build up the trust in a way which a virtual 3D showroom can do that, but we will talk more about that in a few minutes. Also many companies promote their products on social media to collect the first leads and post on Instagram and YouTube. And don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with using Instagram and YouTube as a social media platform. We also do that to get the first customers. But people don't understand that it is extremely important in the sales cycle to differentiate themselves with their competitors, especially when you're in a market where you have many competitors which doing or having a very similar offer. Because especially in our times which we have right now with war and all the other stuff which is happening around the world, people will get different proposals from different companies and compare them. And a normal customer can't really understand what is inside your product and how it is structured and all that stuff. So they just try to compare it using parameters they know, for example the price and stuff like that. And when you are in a high price segment basically, or you have higher prices for your products or services, then you often will lose those competition with other agencies, because there will be many people who will do it cheaper than you. And that's the point, no one understands. You need to differentiate during your sales cycle to other competitors. And a virtual 3D showroom will do exactly that, because no one else will have it, and it will answer all the questions a customer usually have during a sales cycle, so he can make the decision to purchase your product. But yeah, now let's talk more about virtual 3D showrooms and the benefits you have by integrating them in your sales cycles. You now maybe hear about this stuff maybe for the first time, so I will just show you some videos now how something like this can look like when it's integrated to your website. Yeah, but now I would like to show you a little overview how a virtual office actually can look like. We are here in the office of Goldman Sachs. There we are currently configuring a virtual office. Goldman Sachs is a tax consultant basically based in Germany, in Düsseldorf at the Media Harbor. They have a very great office, and we rebuilt that basically inside of Unreal Engine. And in the beginning you can configure your character, you get a little introduction video of Sofian, one of the CEOs basically leading the company, and he will explain you and show you the office a little bit how it looks in real life, and he just gives you a little introduction to the office and all that stuff. And when we move forward here in the office, we can go to the elevator, and we are basically on the floor where their office is, and at the reception there's already a Convai AI basically waiting for them. And this means basically it's an AI character you can actually talk with or also write and chat.
Hello, and welcome to Gold Mantax. Ollie Doigun is currently in a meeting, but I can show you already our office if you want.
Yes.
Okay, then please follow me. I will now guide you through the office and show you the different rooms.
I can talk, for example, with both of the CEOs, that they can give me an overview about what they are doing and all that stuff. And later we also, like, of course, place some more videos and stuff like that there. Like this, you can easily get an overview about the different products and services, and you can also here, for example, meet the team. That's currently all like work in progress and stuff like that, of course. They have much more team members than just this one. But that's the point, basically. You can learn more about the team and they show you their tasks, what they are working on. And like this, you understand the product or service in a three-dimensional way, because you know how the workflows will look like and all that stuff. You know what you can expect from this service, basically. But also when you, for example, want to hire or onboard new people in your company, before they apply for a job, for example, they can also get a tour through this virtual office and already can learn more about the other team members they work with in the future. They can also get an introduction how their job will work and what they need to do daily and stuff like that, to see if they really fit and if that's really something they want to do. And here we also saw some interactive customer testimonials, basically. So those also will be AI characters you can actually talk with, who have the background story, basically, of your real customers. So when you already have, for example, testimonial videos and stuff like that, out of that we can recreate the customer basically as a 3D character and place them in the world, so you can actually talk with them, so they can give you an overview how the experience was to work with you. And that will also build up a lot of trust. And now I'm also asking specific questions, basically, to this AI character who gave me the tour, to also understand and clear the last questions which I have before I can, for example, book a first free discussion meeting or something like that. And this will also build up trust and also show that you are really an expert in this area, since you have a crazy simulation of your office with an AI character who can answer any questions, basically. But yeah, it will just show that you are a really expert. It will just show that you are really an expert, and also build up trust.
Hello, and welcome to Gold Mantax. Ollie Doigun is currently in a meeting, but I can show you already our office if you want. Tax-related matters. I can certainly help with that. Okay, then please follow me.
Yes.
I will now guide you through the office and show you the different rooms. What kind of help do you need? Are you looking for advice regarding tax strategies, restructuring, or conversions, or do you have any other queries?
Restructuring.
Great. Restructuring can be a great way to reduce your tax burden. I can help you understand the process and how it can benefit your business. What specific concerns or questions do you have?
How does the process look like?
The process of restructuring is complex, but straightforward. We will first discuss your business and financial goals. Then, we will analyze your current business structure and identify potential areas for improvement. After that, we will create a customized plan for restructuring. Finally, we will implement the plan and provide ongoing support and advice.
How does this benefit my company?
Restructuring can help reduce your company's tax burden, improve its credit rating, and increase its reputation with banks and credit institutions. It can also help you save money in the long run. Additionally, restructuring can help you optimize your business operations and make them more efficient. And the next thing is, many people ask me, is it really possible to bring those applications to the cloud, or so that your customers can easily stream them in the web browser? And yeah, that's definitely possible. We work together with Arkware to host our experiences, and they also have some nice showcases directly on their website, like a
real-time product configurator. Also for automotive, this is really cool. Also for MIFCOM, a computer manufacturer, they also did something like that. But also, of course, for architectural visualization, this will be a super crazy tool what you can do basically. And and I would like to show you this little configurator demo. And you can easily click on Stream Now, and now it will load some seconds, and then we are already directly in this product configurator. We are now in the product configurator, and this is a product configurator for chairs basically. And I would say we just configure our new office chair here. We have a catalog of different chairs, and now we are in the 3D environment and can really interact here with the chair and can also configure it. So we can select a model, we can also choose between different materials. We have a little overview here about the different materials. Let's try red leather. Also looks cool. And you can really zoom in here to see how the quality looks like, how the fabric, for example, or the leather also looks like. And you really get an overview how this product can look like, how it works. Let's say it would be a more complex product than a chair, then you also could animate it in a way you can show all the features which this chair, for example, have, like that you can lean back or stuff like that. I don't know, maybe you can remove those side things here at the chair, I don't know, like different, more advanced, here, for example, you can also switch it back. Like this, you can really show how products and stuff like that are working. You can also show them in different rooms or scenarios, or later also, for example, show the product basically directly in your own home using AR technologies and stuff like that. And this is really something which will enhance the interaction with the users. It will keep users hooked because they configure their chair, and after they took some time to configure the perfect chair, the chances that they really order the chair basically will also be much higher. But yeah, that's it for the small demo. You can easily integrate those tools to collect leads from your website. Since they are interactive, they will keep visitors hooked to your website and brand, but also you can use them in between the qualification and the sales call. So you make a first 15-minute meeting to learn more about your client, how you maybe can help. And when you know you can help the potential client, then you set up a new 1-hour call to show him your strategy and actually make the sale. And in between, you send the client the link to the virtual office so he can learn more about your team, the process, and already can experience how it will feel when they are a customer of your company, and maybe also test the products which you have, but also you will show them basically the interactive customer testimonials out of their branch that will also build up trust, which is needed later in the sales call so you can actually sell something. So those platforms can really help you when you are in a competitive area or a competitive market where customers maybe already made bad experiences with other competitors but think you are similar because you are not different enough. And those showrooms show that you're innovative and different to your competitors, because especially right now in the beginning as an early adopter, you can really benefit from something like this, since not many people already use these technologies to sell their products, and it's mainly used for complex physical products currently, as you can see, for example, in the background with this product configurator. But it can also get used for services, since those are more complex to sell because customers maybe don't understand directly the workflow, what they really will get, because the service is always a little bit different than a physical product they can watch, and most people don't understand right away what's inside and how it will really help them to reach their goal. And that's something we can design a sales cycle for your individual use case, for your individual customers, which will build up trust so you can make your sales easier basically. So if you now also want to use virtual 3D showrooms now to explain your complex products so your customers easily understand those, which will shorten your sales cycles, then feel free to book your first free strategy session with the link in the description, so we can really analyze your use case to create a lasting experience for your potential customers. They will not forget so fast. So what are you waiting for? You book your free strategy session now. Really, you don't have nothing to lose but much to win. I'm looking forward now to assist planning your virtual 3D showroom, office or roadshow, and all that completely free. But that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.